everywhere we can use. And also, we should get the experience in physics while we are studying about the work done and bodies moving on the inclined plane. So in case of projectile, in case of simple harmonic motion about simple pendulum, so in electricity, in finding the torque, everywhere we can use strings. Then without the trigonometry, we can't everything. So trigonometry is most essential for the what year students, whatever you want to do in future in mathematics. Even though while we are doing the problems in calculus, at every instance we can face the formulas and concepts of the trigonometry. So that is why you can learn and construct yourself. You build the strong views in trigonometry. So automatically you will become very bright. So for that purpose, we are giving the lecture in simple, proper and perfect manner to make you understand very well. So we think that it make you induce very well about this subject. Now, first of all, whenever we are going to start the trigonometry, then whatever it is there, we must know about its history. Then automatically we can remember what is the actual purpose, why our mathematicians are developed the subject regarding the mathematics. So whenever we know that point, it makes us to remember forever. So that is the reason, in simple way, we are giving this where it is started. So now, the use of trigonometric functions arises from the early connection between mathematics and astronomy. Then why actually it is developed? Whenever our mathematicians required to find out the different aspects while whatever they are discussing which already existing before. So everything you can see in mathematics or in science, it may be the physics or chemistry, whatever it is. So whenever we require some different formulas or different views, so automatically our great mathematicians and scientists worked on them. So that is the reason, see here, if you see this point, the use of trigonometric functions arises from the early connection between the mathematics and astronomy. Astronomy is very famous in India. So as you know that students here, before the mathematics, whatever we are going to deal, whatever actually we know nowadays, it started from astrology only. So that is why our great mathematicians, our renowned mathematicians belongs to our country, they started to work from the astronomy. So due to that reason, you know, our renowned mathematicians like Aryabhatta and Brahmagupta, Bhaskaracharya, many were worked on this. Not only trigonometry, whatever the topic you can select, our great renowned mathematicians should be there. So when you are compared to the world students, so in that case, we are very familiar. So because of, we started to work from the astrology. Now second point you can see, so first work on trigonometric functions related to chords of a circuit. That is only just now we told you that. And whenever a different branch of mathematics is there, why they were developed? Because of where it is required to make it is simple. Then suppose when you have discussed something previously, next to what happens? So everyone, they should think how we can make it simple. That is the only use of the mathematics. Then whatever the experiment is there, whatever they are developed, we want to keep it in a simple form. So for that purpose, in most of the cases, mathematics actually are discussed and developed. So first work on trigonometric functions related to chord. Here chord is nothing but a common where we discuss, in the circle only we can discuss. In circle we can discuss secant line, chord we can discuss, and a common here line. Here secant line nothing but which can pass through the circle. Chord is nothing but that should be what here touch the circumferences and drawn within the circle. But secant can cross. So when we are discussing about the chords, they need some part of the subject. That is why they were developed this. Now, next Hipparchus, the founder of trigonometry, why? Because of he started work on this. And when he is discussing about what is the chords of a circle, he need to create. So you want to create what here? Some logics. to make it perfect. For that purpose, Hipparchus first he discussed about the water trigonometry. That is the reason. So Hipparchus the founder of trigonometry we can say. Now come to our country. As we said, our great Indian mathematicians like Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta and Bhaskara also worked on this. Here actually we should know the one great thing is nothing but in Aryabhatta. So written by the Aryabhatta, first indicated sign. Here we are going to discuss about the trigonometrical functions. So in which sine function is there? First we need to discuss about sine only. So that is now what we are using the form that first was given by the what is here Aryabhatta. Now what are the form sine theta we are using? So that is why so we should feel the great about our mathematicians also. So now we are going to start the topic. Just this is nothing but we should know about that. Now why actually trigonometry developed and everything will be the explanation. But whenever you know the history, so automatically, so psychologically we can connect to our subject students. So this is about the what here trigonometry, where it started, why it started. Now we are going to discuss what is the trigonometry. So that is the students. So as we said in simple way, trigonometry you can write like this: trigonon, trigonon, trigon. So already, so you can take students here O and the metric, and if you write like this, so trigonometry, because of now trigonometry what we are using, which is derived from two Greek words. So those Greek words we are going to tell for you. So that is, we can also write in this form. Trigonon, here O is there between that metric. So from these words, just you can combine them. What is that trigonon? It is derived from two Greek words, that is trigonon. Trigonon nothing but a friends triangle. Like commonly we can represent the triangle in short form like this. So if you get confused, also you can write down triangle. Triangle. So metron means measure. Measure. So trigonometry derived from two Greek words. Trigonon means triangle, metron means measure. By combination of these two words, we will give a in simple form. Measuring the triangle is the trigonometry. So this branch of mathematics, trigonometry, why we developed here, why we are using measuring the triangle. So in simple form we can write students now. Measuring the triangle. Measuring the triangle. Measuring the triangle is known as trigonometry. Also we can, or trigonometry we can use to this. So you can write measuring the triangle is known as trigonometry. Okay. Now, what is the new term arrived? Now we are going to discuss the subject in sequence manner. Sequence is nothing but what is the new term is coming that we can discuss. So in that case, automatically, even though if you have learned previously, once you have to recall itself. If it is not, once we can make it perfect. So measuring the triangle is known as trigonometry. Now what is the new term has come into existence here and in this definition? Of course, we know very well about the triangle, but first of all again read. So here see triangle is nothing but there is a one term familiarly we can use in plane geometry. So we have discussed about the polygon. Polygon. So we should know about these things. Polygon. Here poly means many Here polynomial is also chapter is there. Already you know very well. Polynomial. So when we are discussing about the what is here quadratic equations or linear equations in two variables or one variable. Commonly, when you are taking the what here expression and expression, at that instance we need to define about the what here polygon. So in linear equation two variables, that is a different, but because of it nothing but a polygon should always consisting only one variable. And just we are connecting you that. So polynomial is also chapter because of it is expression. Because of the term we used here, that's why just we are reminding you. Poly nothing but a many. So gone. What is meant by this? You can write easily as from this.